Okay, you walk.
Thank you very much. Here you go. I'll take it.
REACH is a private nonprofit that serves adults with developmental disabilities in the Gallatin Valley. We provide residential, vocational, recreational, and transportation services to help people lead the most independent and fulfilling lives possible.
My daughter Holly, who's been a REACH client for 23 years and has had tremendous help and services all these years. I'm so grateful. What touches me a lot and has touched is the support at her work here. That Josh, especially here at the Ridge, has comes to her meetings once a year, and it means a great deal to her. What REACH has done to help Holly and other special needs people to get out in the community so they're not hidden away, which is how it used to be before the federal law was passed, that they had to be educated and housed in the least restrictive environments. So people get to know there's nothing scary about someone who has a developmental disability.
Hi, my name is Chris Berman. I'm the operations manager at the Community Food Co-op. We've had a long relationship with REACH. They've supplied us with several great workers over the years, I think 20 years now. Currently, I am privileged to be the manager of Damon. He works in the operations department, helps our dishwashing crew with glass jars, and it's part of our reuse glass program where our customers come in and fill up their bulk syrup and honey, and it's a great service. Our customers love it.
Every day, like 5 days a week, I go there Monday to Fridays. I pick up garbage every day, like everything be done except outside, pick up some papers or hay butt, something. So it's a part of the nature thing to keep the environment clean.
He sweeps up leaves and debris, and then during the summer he takes care of our lawn, picking up leaves and sticks and just generally keeping the co-op clean and a pleasant place to shop.
Yeah, I like it.
What do you like about working here at the co-op?
I make friends, meet them, a couple with the customers. Yeah. Tom Petty, Chris Berman, anybody from this whole co-op. Yeah, make it be a good team.
Jenny had the opportunity to go to REACH right out of high school. We were very lucky because, you know, as all parents, we were worried that, you know, she didn't have any place to be. So she got a work placement right away, went right to work out of high school. Since then, she's just had so many opportunities. She's works at the work center. She comes home every day being confident and productive.
These are truss rods from Gibson Guitar that we assemble for them. They give us hundreds of these rods that we first have to wipe down, and then the clients assemble them. Staff cuts the tubing, and then they're able to put the rivets on the ends. One of these truss rods goes into every guitar. So Gibson Guitar essentially makes 300 guitars every week, and it goes into the neck of the guitar.
REACH clients pick up recycling for residents and businesses in the Bozeman area. The community has been supporting this business for 16 years. This is a great source of income for clients who are between jobs.
I like recycling. It's so good money.
Sometimes when we have a need for something and we don't have it in our budget, we can either advertise for that, or one time we needed a truck because our original recycling truck was involved in an accident that wasn't even our fault, but it didn't make any difference because we're out of a truck, and we had a donor step forward and buy us a truck. And it's quite magnificent the way folks step forward when the need arises.
Recently, we were so lucky, and she got a placement here at Willow Group Home. And that's been just so wonderful. It's just been another opportunity for her to grow and be independent and self-reliant, and all under the watchful eye of the wonderful Reach staff who treat her and our family with such dignity and respect. They just value Jen's special talents and her many, many abilities.
The community of Bozeman is entirely supporting of Reach in many ways, not only in the jobs that they provide our clients so that they can supplement their income, but also sometimes if we have a client who's in a bind in the community or possibly doing something that might not be completely safe, we'll have people we don't know and who have never thought to contact us just call us and say, hey, I think one of your folks is out here and might need a little supervision or support. And those are folks from the community you don't even know how great they are just taking time out of their lives to help someone by phoning us.
It's a huge kind of experience to raise someone with special needs. And any kind of help that people can give, just the help I get when I see people in the community who will say, I just love your daughter, she works at the Reach and she cheered up my day. Or, I mean, that's something that doesn't cost any money. But, you know, to give maybe, you know, a few dollars every year, you know, it means a great deal because the funding's getting cut. And so I think unless you know someone who has a special child, you don't have any idea of the amount of energy and time and stress it can take. And so any help is really appreciated.
I admire everybody at Reach so much. The staff is so committed. The administration does everything they can for their clients and us as family members.
Thank you, Community Reach.
I want to give my tremendous thanks to all the people involved in Reach, whether they're clients or staffs or supporters. I'm very grateful.
Thank you.
Thank you to the donors, all donors of Reach, donors of their time, of their energy, of their money.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
I just hope everybody understands just what an important part of our lives and the community that Reach is.
Thank you, Bozeman. Thank you for our whole community.